The ugly yellow bulb. We're swapping that out, put the LEDs in there, and then we go from there. Alright. So basically, on the driver's side, bottom here, pull this. This is for the hood, to unlock the hood. And that's how you get to access under the hood. Okay? There's going to be a latch right here for the hood. You just push this to the side to release the hood and lift it. Okay, then there's going to be this stand here that you lift up the stand and put it into this slot here. So what I'm going to do is lift this, slide that, put it in there. And now these are the housings where the bulbs sit. This is it right here. These are the headlight bulbs that I'm going to be swapping out. This one, shout out to Honda for making this so easy. This is one here. And this is the other one here for the projector. So what I'm going to do now is unscrew the bulb and disconnect the connector and then install the high-powered LEDs in the spot of this. Okay. This is the LX model, the base. So it doesn't come with HID headlights. So this is for the other models that don't come with HID headlights. All right. So give me a minute. I'm gonna get the bulbs and then I'm gonna set this up and do it before and after. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is. There's gonna be a little tab here on the bottom. Just press on the tab and push it down, and the connector comes off. Then you take the bulb, turn it, take it out. That's it. All right, set the bulb to the side. Then you get your high-powered LEDs. I'll put a link down in the description of the video to the bulbs. Slide the new LED bulb in. It's an H11. Turn it, push it in, lock it in place. Then take the connector, well the factory connector, and then you push it into the new connector. I mean the factory wiring harness connector. And if it doesn't light up when you do it like this, if it doesn't light up when you turn on the headlights, just flip it, turn it, and put it back in the socket again in the other direction, and the light should come on. All right, so I'm gonna, the same thing that I'll do on this side, the same thing I'm gonna do on the other side over there, but I'm not gonna show the other side because I already showed you here. So basically what I'm gonna do is, this one's good to go, this one's in. Snaps into the socket, it's good to go. I'm gonna go do the other side real quick, and then I'm gonna catch back the video for you guys, turn on the headlights, and show you guys what they look like. All right, so both of the connectors are in, the new LEDs are in, the high power for the headlights, both sides are in. So now I'm going to turn on the headlights and show you guys what it looks like. All right. Okay, so I'm in the car. I'm gonna start the car. Oh, I think I left the key. Oh no, I have the key right here. So I'm gonna start it up. Turn on the headlights. Wow, look at the difference in light. Look at that. Look at the new light. Look how bright that is. Look at the difference. Look at that. Look at the light output. Look at that. That's how much light you get now. This is a great, easy upgrade. Anybody can do it. It took me less than 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes to install this stuff. Now, if you're having a hard time putting the LED bulb in, just slide it here around the side and then plug it in from the side here. Yeah, just slide it down through here to the side of the fuse box. And then you bring it forward here. and then tighten it and just lock it in place to your right. And that's it. This is a good upgrade. Look at that. Look at the difference. Alright. I'm gonna go show you guys the driving test down that dark street with the new lights, and then we're gonna go from there. Alright? We're back at the same street again with the new lights on. The new lights aren't on. I'm about to turn them on right now. And look at the output difference on the same street. Look how much more light you get. Look at the difference. Huge difference. Look at that difference. It's worth it, man. Upgrade your headlight bulbs. Definitely on these cars. It definitely helps. You get to see way more. Way more. Way more. Alright? Let me know what y'all think. This is a great upgrade for the car. Link will be in the description at the bottom of the video for the bulbs that I use. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them. If it's a like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace.